Are you on?
I'm on.
Okay.
We are going.
We're going. So I've got actually two of these. This one is my 100-foot one. Were these Black Friday?
Yes.
Or were they just a sale?
I think it was Black Friday. It was last fall.
It was last fall, Black Friday. At Lowe's, 19 or 29?
I think we got it for 19.
There's a 50-foot one that was the same price as well. Both were on sale. One, I think 19. I think we got them both for 19. The 50-foot's supposed to be 29 regularly. It was marked down to 19. This one's supposed to be 39 and it was marked down to 9. I don't know, whatever. Anyways, so we're going to just put fittings on these air hoses in case you ever want to buy an air hose and use it with air tools or whatever. You really probably should know how to do it. And we've got, and I already have one of these that I use, and I worked in a shop. I'm used to air couplers that you slide the thing back and pull them apart. But the rest of the family, and particularly Christy, really like these ones that you can just stick it in and you push and it locks it. It doesn't leak, and then you push the button to release it. So I ordered one of these to make sure I had the right one. I've been using these fittings. I also have the ones that are longer, but we're using these on our air hoses now and on all of our air tools. So we're going to just go ahead and put those on this hose real quick. So, being careful not to cut the hose.
That'd be a good idea.
Yeah, that would kind of suck. And I like this. This hose obviously is not good for like using mechanics air tools. It just doesn't flow enough volume, being a 1/4-inch air hose. But for nailers and things like that, it's perfect, which is what I got it for. Running an air nozzle out to blow stuff out in the yard or out in the car. It's just a really, it's very lightweight, flexible, pretty decent quality. So we're going to go ahead and just put these fittings on it real quick so that we can use it tomorrow in our video that we're working on for you guys with the cupboard under the stairs. So again, when we wrap our Teflon tape, we're going to do it clockwise with the threads. And we're just going to give it a couple of good wraps. Like that. So that as I put the fitting on, actually I did that one wrong. I did counterclockwise on that one. Wasn't paying attention. I'll do this one right. Holds pretty tight. This one swivels really nice and free, so it's making it hard to wrap on it. When they're new, they're usually a little bit looser than that, or a little bit tighter. So this one here, we'll just thread this guy on there. I'm using crescent wrenches because I didn't want to try to figure out what size wrenches I needed, and these are not super tight. You don't really need to cinch them down, especially if they're got the tape on them. That's plenty good on that one. This one here, we may experience some issues with the tape wanting to unwind on us because they round it the wrong way. Now it looks like it's going to be okay. And done.
Okay.
So that makes that ready to use. Nice big 100-foot air hose that will allow us to reach out in the yard, to work in the yard or whatever. So we're going to frame it. We're just going to nail it. We're not going to screw it together. And then we've got the siding that goes on with the little finish nails that we'll be using that as well. So this will allow us to just run in one nice air hose, and it's nice and light, so Christy can move it. And now we'll have to fight it wanting to be, hopefully this won't stay coiled this tightly once we start using it. I'm not going to cut those zip ties off here in the house because I don't want to be tripping over it all day.
All right. Thanks for watching.